Hey, here we go. What's going on, everybody? I'm Maida, Mrs. Garden, if you please. I was married now, okay? I want to do a vlog, videos about me moving to Jamaica. I got married in August, and I am going to file for citizenship. There's not a lot of videos on that show the process, so I want to show that process for you guys right now. Doing a little bit of sewing. Sewing machine. Doing a little bit of reading. Get this book. Good book. My daughter recommended it to me. Her name is Daji. She does makeup. Check her channel out. I'll get that to you soon. My first video. And I'm so excited. 2019 is coming. In just 1 day and a half or so, it'll be New Year's 2019. And I hope you got a plan for your new year. Always moving forward. Continue moving forward and perseverance. That's my husband's. Always loves to say that. His name is Garfield. Yes. And he always says perseverance, perseverance, perseverance. All right. Big thing in Jamaica. So, I'm also watching one of my favorite artists, Chronic. Okay? Love me some Chronic. Smile for me, Jamaica. You'll see me say it. You'll see me writing that and saying that a lot in my videos. But today I'm just getting comfortable with doing videos and being in front of the camera all the time. So here we go. I got my notebook. Just costs $1. Family Dollar. See, that's all you need. A few dollars to get started. I don't have no money, no bunch of money. Ordered this book. I think this book was like, I'll say 15. It was at least 15. Books today are like, they started 15 and 9. So I got that YouTube Secrets, and that's by Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. Okay, Benji and Sean, I'm getting started. So here we go. I'm going to tag you guys in this link for the video. I think I'm saying that right. I know my kids laughing at me because I never have anything correct, but you know what I mean. Okay? So we'll get started today. I'm going to work on my swimming suit that I'm wearing to Jamaica. Let me show you what I'm making here. This is the one I'm making right here. See that? Cover up a little bit of that belly. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm using this knit fabric. It's purple. Oh my God, it's so pretty. You should, hopefully you can really see the color. But that's it. Oh yeah, you can see. I can see on the camera. It's really, really pretty, right? So I got a swimming suit to make. I'm going to Jamaica in February for Valentine's Day to see my sweetie. And so I'm just getting comfortable doing what I'm doing. So what I'm going to start with is watching my video. Yes. Let me show you. Chronics. 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 And I do not own the rights to this music. It's nice and loud, right? Love it. Look at that. Medea, 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 Medea. Love y'all. I'm going to get back to sewing. Peace, love, prosperity, perseverance. And smile for me, Jamaica. This is Mrs. Gordon tuning out. See you soon. Medea, 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 Medea.